Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Studio 77. Tired of messy closets? In this video, I'll show you some of the easiest and quickest way to fold different type of clothes from sweaters, skirts, hoodie, jackets, pants and more. Stay with me and you will never struggle with folding again. Let's begin with sweaters. They often feel bulky and difficult to manage, but with the right folding technique, they become neat, compact and easy to stack without taking up too much space. Skirts are even easier to handle. A quick fold can make them compact and help your closet look more spacious and tight. Next are jeans and pants. Keeping them properly folded not only saves space but also gives your wardrobe a clean and organized look while making everything easier to find. For delicate clothes like or soft fabrics, a little extra care while folding helps maintain their shape and keeps them looking fresh and wrinkle-free for longer. As you can see, organizing your clothes does not have to be difficult. These simple folding areas can help you save space, reduce clutter, and keep everything looking neat and organized. And And there you have it, different types of clothes folded quickly and neatly. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs better closet organization. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.